Next challenge, let's put this pump and tank on the back of that gator right there. So we need a switch, we need a relay, and yeah, we need to run power to the battery. And yep, let's go. Let's do this. Alright, let's try to get this one right. I think I'm right on the money right there. Yep, just need to get it a little closer. Right there. Let's see. And it's on. Alright, like I said, what we're gonna do is right here on the spot, turn it around. There you go. And we are golden. Alright. There you go. That cable was already broken. I just don't want to break this one too. This thing is heavy. Alright. Now the electrical. So we basically got a ground on power. We got our battery right here. So we got around the ground to the ground, the power to a relay, the relay to a fuse, and the relay to the battery. That way, if there's ever any overcharge or whatever happens, the relay will take the overcharge or whatever you may call it, and pop a fuse, but not burn all your wiring or burn the pump. So let's get the stuff we need for it and go from there. All right, so this is basically what we need: fuse, relay, and switch. This will turn it on and off. This will have the power coming from it to the battery, and I'll show you the diagram here. You'll see it in a minute. And so yeah, let's run all the wires and then go from there. All right, so I'll put that on your screen. So pretty much following this diagram with the relay here. Blue will go to the fuse and then to the power to the pump. Then the white, which is the orange, will go to the switch, and this will go to the 12-volt power. Red to the 12-volt power, and black to ground, and that's pretty much it. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so just like in the picture, relay, this is gonna be power to the battery, ground. The blue one goes to the power on the pump, and this also goes to 12-volt power for the switch to give the relay power. And that's that. Now let's get it to the installation place. Okay, so I pretty much already did all the wiring. I'm gonna make a hole here to put the switch right here. But this goes to power, this goes to ground, and power to the, and we should be good. But yep, we got it done. Follow me for more little things like this. Comment, let me know you want me to do more mower and small engine stuff.